Hey y'all, I'm back. How are you guys doing? Y'all, I know I've been gone. Y'all, I know I have been gone for a minute, but I've been working a lot. Y'all, I just been tired. I just been working a whole bunch. So it's just like I don't really just be having the energy to do a video. But I'm craving some starch. I'm gonna be eating some sprouts for you guys. Now y'all, real soon I am going to be doing clays and chalks. I also have another special thing that I got that I am so happy to try, so I'm gonna do that for y'all. But I'm just gonna be taking like a couple spoonfuls. Y'all, I'm in the car, I'm just chilling. Let's see how it's tasting. Mm. If I was to describe this taste, it's very fresh, but it also tastes kind of old too. I like old tasting starches, so I really like how this tastes. But it's like still fresh and it's very thick. Very thick. No, y'all, but I just wanted to do like a little quick video. Because I have not been making any videos, and I miss making videos for you guys. I can't wait to do these clays and chalks for you guys. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, which will be coming out very soon. This is just a quick video, guys, for you guys. Love y'all. Stay safe.